Math of class 10, exercise 2.3, lecture number 5. Question number 4, first part I have written here, x square minus x plus p square equals to 0. Now requirement of the question is find value of p if roots differ by unity. That I will discuss later on with you. First, coming to this quadratic equation. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation, and then a, b and c coefficient of x square, x and constant, and alpha plus beta is minus b over a, alpha into beta is c over a. So you will get two equations basically. Alpha plus beta, after substituting the value is 1, I call it equation number 1. Alpha into beta product of roots is c over a, so you will get p square over 1, which is p square. So two equations you have. Now I come to this condition, roots differ by unity. Differ by, it means what? Differ means you have to take difference, not the sum. And difference of what? Of roots. One root is alpha, another root is beta. So you have taken the difference. So alpha minus beta is unity. Unity in mathematics means 1. So alpha minus beta is 1. This is third equation. Now this is by chance, one is coming here, one is coming here as well. In different questions, these values might be different. Anyway, now I have equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Requirement is find p. This value of p is needed. Value of p we can find out when we substitute value of alpha here and value of beta here. So with the help of these two equations, I will find out value of alpha and beta. So from equation 1 and equation 3, alpha plus beta is 1 and alpha minus beta is also 1. By chance both are equals to 1. So plus 1 beta minus 1 beta, both are cancelled. So plus 1 alpha and plus 1 alpha plus 2 alpha, 1 plus 1 will make 2. So dividing 2 on both sides, so alpha is 2 over 2, which is 1. So alpha is 1. Again I say, by chance it is happening, 1, 1, 1 is coming over here. Now I have used these two equations. Any one equation you can write again. I have written first equation, alpha plus beta equals to 1. Alpha is 1. Substitute the value of alpha. In this way you will get the value of beta. So alpha is 1 and beta is 0. You remember what I said over here. We need value of p. Value of p can be calculated when we substitute value of alpha and beta. Now I have value of alpha and beta. So now putting values of alpha and beta in equation number 3. You write downward in your copier register. I am going to write on one side. So this is equation, alpha into beta is equals to p square. What is alpha? Alpha is 1 into beta is 0. So 1 into 0 is 0, p square. So taking square root on both sides. When we take square root, we take plus and minus, but remember there is no plus 0 or minus 0. So simply it will become 0 and this is p. So value of p is 0. Its second part will be done by you. Thank you very much.